Hi guys, welcome back to Amaze Maths, and today we'll look at fractions, addition, subtraction of different denominators. Then we look at improper and mixed fraction. First of all, let's start with the addition of fractions. So they have different denominators. So number one, we have 4 over 12 plus 1 over 6. So here we need to find the LCM of 12 and 6. If you haven't watched the video on LCM, please click on the previous video. So we have LCM of 12 and of 6. So let's count on in 12. So we have 12, 24. Then you can count in 6 as well. We have 6 and 12. So the common multiple is 12. So how can we make this one at 12? So the CBC way would be you draw a line like that. Then you put 12 there. So this is times 1 and this one is times 1. So that becomes 4. So to make this one at 12, we do times 2 and times 2. So that is 1 times 2 is 2. That is equal to 6 over 12. And in fractions, you always have to simplify your fraction. You have to leave it in the lowest terms. So both of the numbers can be divided by 6. So divide both numbers by 6 and you get 1 out of 2. Number 2, 9 out of 12 again plus 1 over 6. So by now we know the LCM of 12 and 6 is 12. So equals to, put your 12 there. So this one becomes 12 by times 1 and this one is times 1. So in fractions, whatever I do at the bottom, we do the same thing on top. So 9 times 1 is 9 plus this one is times 2 and this one is times 2. So 6 times 2 is 12. So whatever I do at the bottom, we do it on top. 1 times 2 is 2. So 9 plus 2, that would be 11 out of 12. So this fraction cannot be simplified because there's no common factor for 11 and 12. Okay, number 3, 11 out of 12 plus 9 over 10. So let's do the LCM of 12 and 10. So let's count on in 12. So 12 plus 12 is 24. 24 plus 12 is 36 plus 12, 48 plus 12, 60 plus 12, 78 plus 12, 84 plus 12, 96 plus 12, that is 108, and plus 12, 120. Let's count in tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and 120. So the LCM of 10 and 12 is 120. So equals to all over 120. So now we want to make the denominator 120. So 12 times what will give you 120? You can use the 12 times table. So count from here till 120. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this one is times 10. And times 10. 11 times 10. Any number times 10, you just write the number 11 and you add a 0 at the end. So 9 times what will give us 120. So let's go to the 10 times what will give us 120. So 10 times. We go to the 10 times table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we do times 12. And whatever you do at the bottom, you do on top. So we have 12 times 9. So maybe we can do here 12 times 9. 2 times 9 is 8. Then 9 times 1 is 9 plus 1, 10. So here it's 108. Then you can add the 108 to 110. 8 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. This one is 218 out of 120. Now today we are looking at improper and mixed fractions. So I'll just show you how to do this, and then we can extensively look at more examples. So 120 goes into 210 how many times? It's only once because of 120. Then you do 218 minus 120. 8 minus 0 is 8. You borrow 1, it becomes 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. So it's gonna be 98. So remainder 98 out of 120. So divide these 2 by 2 because you have to simplify it. So 1 whole 98 divided by 2, that would be 49. 120 divided by 2 is 60, and that's your answer. Okay, number 4, a third plus a quarter. So once again we do the LCM of 3 and 4. So LCM of 3, we can count in 3, 6, 9, 12. Let's count in 4s, 4, 8 and 12. So the LCM is 12. So 3 times what is equal to 12? So 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4, and whatever you do at the bottom you do on top. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 12. So now this one, 4 times what will give us 12? So 1, 2, 3. So times 3, and on top times 3. 1 times 3 is 3, and 4 plus 1 is 7 over 12. Now the last one on addition, we have 2 over 7 plus 1 over 3. So we do LCM of 3 and 7. We can count on in 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. 7, 14, counting 7, 7, 14 and 21. So the LCM is 21. So here 21. So 7 times what is 21? 1, 2, 3. So times 3 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Then 3 times what is 21? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So times 7 and times 7 on top. 1 times 7 is 7. So 7 plus 6 is 13 over 21. So I hope you're getting the concept. Now we can do subtraction. Now for subtraction, it's the same concept. Now we just need to minus. So the whole process we did for addition is the same. So LCM of 10 is 10, 20. LCM of 2 would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So the LCM is 10. So 10 times what equals to 10? So 10 times 1, and then same thing on top. 8 times 1 is 8 over 10. So this one was all over 10. Then 2 times what equals to 10? So 2 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 5, and times 5 on top. 1 times. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So it's going to be 3 over 10. So the answer is 3 out of 10. Number 2, 7 over 8 minus 1 over 4. So the LCM of 8 and 4 would be 8, but let me show you. So LCM of 8 equals to 8. Count on in 8 will be 8 and 16. For 4 would be 4, 8. So the LCM is 8. So the more you do this one, you'll be able to get the answer even without doing the working out. So 8 times 1 is 8. 7 times 1 is 7 minus 4 times 2, 1, 2. So times 2 on top. So 1 times 2 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5 over 8. Number 3, 1 over a third minus a 15th. So we do LCM of 3 and of 15. So for 15 we can do 15 and 30. For 3 we do 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. So the LCM is 15. So equals to all over 15. So 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 15. Whatever you do at the bottom, you do the same thing on top. 1 times 5 is 5 minus 15 is 1 times 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4 over 15. Number 4, we have 9 over 10 minus 7 over 8. So let's do LCM of 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now we do LCM of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and 80. So the LCM is 80. So all over 80. 10 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So times 8 times 8. 9 times 8 is 72. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 72 minus 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So times 10 times 10, 7 times 10, you just write the number 7 and you add the 0. So 72 minus 70 would be 2 out of 80. Divide both numbers by 2 by a common factor. 2 divided by 2 is 1 out of 40. Now the last one on subtraction, we have 5 over 6. And as usual, by the way, you can pause the video, try it and see whether we get the same answers. So LCM of 6 and of 8. 6, 12, 18, 24, 8, 16, 24. So the LCM is 24. So all over 24. 6 times what is 24? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So times 4 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20 minus 8 times what is 24? 1, 2, 3. So times 3 and times 3 on top. 3 times 3 is 9. So 20 minus 9 is 11 over 24. Watch out for the next video. Thank you.